What's up YouTube? It's Bullseye Nate 231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the headlight bulb, the low beam specifically. The high beam is here, the low beam is here, and the blinker is here. And so I'm going to be showing you how to remove the old one and put in the new one. So the first thing you want to do is locate your low beam. This procedure will be the same if you're changing your high beam or your blinker, but your low beam is in the center. So if you're going to do the high beam, it's here, low beam here. First thing you do is look behind it. As you can see, there are two bulbs. This is the high beam and this is the low beam. So what you're going to do is twist up toward you and it's going to come right out. As you can see, super easy. Once you get it out, you simply press this little switch. Now I can't do this and hold the camera, but you simply press this switch and pull the bulb out. After you replace the new one, you put the new bulbs, snap it in. It plugs in just like this one. If you need the numbers for the bulb, it's a 9006. And so you snap the new one back in and you put it right back in where you removed it in the hole. And you're going to kind of move it down a little bit to make it snap in. Once you line up the grooves, you're just going to simply push down and the bulb is going to go into the locked position. And that's it. Super easy, super quick. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Again, this is how you replace the low beam headlight bulb on a Toyota 4Runner. Thanks for watching.